Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Am I audible or not? I think I'm audible. Let's start. Let's find some questions so that we can start our session today. Try to solve at least 3 questions today. Let's see. Let's just pop out this chat. So go to it's alright. Let's start. Hmm. Let's do a question of a rating of 800 first. We'll just do a question of a previous contest. With the city. Let's go. Just thinking of doing this question. See, I'll just drop the link of this question so that you can also try. See. Yeah, so my second screen stopped working. I just connected my TV to use it as second screen. Let's, yeah. Sorry for the delay. Let's just put this question on our VS Code. Let's read the question. The force code serves are running out of memory. Luckily, we can help them out by uploading some of the RAM. If you want to upload n GBs of RAM every second, you will upload either 0 or 1 GB of RAM. However, there is a restriction on your network speed. In any k consecutive seconds, you can upload only at most 1 GB of RAM in total. I guess this question is quite easy. Or the first are the n GBs of RAM, and then n GBs of RAM, 2 GBs. Every second you will upload either 0 or 1 GB of RAM. Okay, so in 2 consecutive seconds, we can only upload 1 GB of RAM, and here in 3 consecutive seconds, we can just upload 1 GB of RAM. So the first GB will take 3 seconds, and the second GB will take 1 second. I think this question is quite simple. Let me check my audio. I don't think my audio is right. Check from another device. You can just wait a second. Let me check my audio from another device. Yeah, it's all right. The audio is right. The audio is coming good. Let's check. Let's do this question. I think I have a viewer. Let's do this question. Boilerplate. Bro, my PC is it's not having enough ventilation. Let's do the question first. We'll just take a input n and then take a input k, c, n, k, my bad. So what we can do, if there is more than 1 GB left, we'll add, we have to find the time, right? Check what we have to output, the number of seconds. So we'll take int seconds equals to 0 and we'll run a while loop while n greater than 0. So we'll just, if n equal to 1, we'll just add seconds plus plus, else we will just write like n minus minus and n minus minus, and then first we'll write seconds plus equal to k and n minus minus. I think it will work. See out seconds. Let's check if it's working or not. It might not work. Yes. We're getting a bit more seconds. In the first case, n is 5 and k is 1. So what we'll do, n equal to 1, seconds plus plus, else, oh, we should write else second plus equal to k. Yeah, let's check 1 second, but I think my question is going in n square, check with the complete 10 to the power 4, it will work. This question is quite easy. I think if I start doing these questions, it will not improve my problem solving, I guess. But it's alright. Let's just check. Still loading. Accepted. The question is quite easy. Let's check another question. So we did one question. Let's put a counter over here of questions. Wait a second, I'll just put a, we'll do minimum 3 questions and maximum 5. I'll just put a counter over here. Fine. Well, text it is. We'll just write question counter. Question C and T equals to 1. think I can't see the question. Please. Can't find the question count over here. Can't find the question counter. I don't know. I think I can't use this. Uh, Transform it to screen. Still not able to get. I'll just leave it. It's just wasting time. Let's do another question. Let's try to do another question. Problem set. Try to 800 ones. Let's try to do this question. Okay. Let's do this question. Hi. So today we'll be trying to do code forces 800 questions, and let's see how. I was just checking this before the stream, and I just forgot to turn this off. Let's try to do this question, and we'll just put it on our VS Code. This question is done. I have this question pending. I started this question yesterday, but I have a TLE in this. Time limit exceeded. I'll try to optimize this using DVP and memorization. I tried using memorization, but I couldn't properly implement it in this question. Try it again. First, we'll do this question, then we'll do question of rating 900, then 1000, and then one more of 1000, and then we will just close the stream. Let's just read the question first. Sometimes some words localization or international abbreviations are so long that writing them times in text is quite tiresome. Too long, it's strictly more than 10 characters. All too long words will be replaced with a special abbreviation. Okay, this abbreviation is made like this. We write down the first and the last letter of a word. Between them, we write the number of letters between the last and the first letter. Okay, the number is in decimal system and does not contain any leading series. Thus, localization will be spelled as L10N and internationalization will be spelled as. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try to do this question. Where's VS Code? Wait a second. Yes, I'm back. Let's write a boilerplate first. PC is just too hot. No ventilation. Let me get something. Let's do this question. Oh, so Music stopped. Let me check. Hmm. Let's do this. Hmm. So we'll just write a string n of s, string s, and just see in s, and then if s dot size is small than equal to 10, we'll just see out the string, or else we'll just make a short form of this by writing the number of digits between the last and the first character. Or else what we'll do, we'll just see out the first character, make a int n, which is the size. Now it's right. Just see out s, sorry, s, the first character, and then we'll just see out the number of digits between. We'll just see out the number of digits, which will be see out. Number of digits will be 2, oh sorry, n minus 2, and then see out the last element, which is n minus 1. Then we will end L. Let's check if this is working or not. It's working alright. We just completed 2 questions in this 20 minutes. Okay. I will move on to a question of rating 900. This call gets accepted. Yeah, it's got accepted. So we'll do a question of rating 900. Probability of a binary search or a greedy. I'm not so fluent in speaking. And get used to it. I'm not even clear, I guess. But with time will improve. Let's try to do this greedy A part. Imagine that you have a twin brother or sister and another person that looks exactly like you seems very weird thoughts. It's oh, anyone viewing wants to do this question. Dropping the link. My bad. Just drop the link on this question. I just forgot to drop the link of the previous question. My bad. I just forgot. Let's try to do this question. Imagine that you have a twin brother or sister. Having another person that looks exactly like you seems very unusual. It's hard to say if having something of an alter ego is good or bad. And even if you have a twin, then you very well know what it's like. Now let's imagine a typical morning in your family. You haven't woken up and mom is already going to work. She has so special, forgotten reason. Two of her darling children. Leave the two of her darling children some money to buy lunch in the school cafeteria. She fished in the purse and found some number of coins to the exact n coins of arbitrary value. But as mom was running out of time, she didn't split the coins for you too, so she scribbled a note asking you to split the money equally. Okay, I guess we have one watching. Good. Wait a second. Yeah. As you woke up, you found mom's coin and read her note. Why split the money equally? You thought. After all, your twin is sleeping and he won't know anything. Yeah, that's right. You can take all of the money or leave the least valued coin for him. Pick for yourself some subset of coins so that the sum of the values of your coin is strictly larger than the sum of the values of the remaining coin that your twin will have. However, you correctly thought that if you take too many coins, your twin will suspect the deception, so you have decided to stick to the following strategy to avoid suspicion. You take the minimum number of coins whose sum value is strictly more than the sum of values of remaining coins. You take the minimum number of coins whose sum of value is strictly more than the sum of value of the remaining coin. On this basis, determine the minimum number of coins you need to take to divide them in the described manner. Okay, so in this case, what do you have to output? What is the minimum number of coins you have to take to divide them in the described manner? In this case, the output should be 1, I guess. Let's check here. In the first sample, you will have to take 2 coins. You and your twin have sum equal to 6. 0 correspond. If you take 1 coin, you get sum 3, and if you take 0 coins, you get sum 0, 6. 0 should be more than your twin sum. Okay. Okay. I think I will use greedy. I guess. I even don't know how to use greedy correctly. So we'll try to use greedy. Not greedy either. I wanted to say deep. Hmm. Let me check my audio. Yes. My voice is not clear. This mouse. Yeah, I'm back. My voice is quite deep. I didn't know that it sounds deep. This microphone. Yeah, let's do this question. And at last, we'll try to optimize this question because we got a TL in this. Just let's complete this question. Let's do this. a2ns.cpp. We'll just run a boilerplate first. CC just do for that. I put a small ice pack at the bottom of my fans, of the bottom of my PC, my laptop, but the ice pack got heated. I think it can't run OBS and this Microsoft browser together. It's quite a, it's too much load on it. Don't know whether it's running. We'll just try to do this question first. Okay, we just have a we just have one case, right? And make a vector int arr of size n n cn arr I. We'll sort this sort this arr dot begin, go back arr dot begin. What am I doing? Arr dot end. It's too much mistakes. Just try it one time. So what we will do, either we can take, can't put greedy. I'm unable to put greedy in this question. I guess if I put greedy, it might not give correct answer on the edge cases. Maybe I should use DP. I try to use DP. Recursion. Int f. Just make a vector DP. So I make a vector. Should I? It says 2 seconds and max it can take is 100 seconds. Maybe I can just use recursion and not memorize this. Just take int, sorry, vector int and arr. So we have sorted this. After sorting, we will just write this f, and here we'll first we have to take the minimum number of points. So I guess first we should take the last element. Tab int n equals to arr dot size, and so we'll say int we'll just write int brother1 and int brother2. Int brother1 bro1 equals to 0 and int bro2 equals to 0. At first we'll give all the money to the brother2. No, maybe it will work. I guess we should use a prefix sum. Yep, it will be easier in prefix sum, but prefix sum, but in reverse order. Prefix sum, but in reverse order. But still, we can just add a maximum element. We'll just take like after sorting it will become 1 2 2. We'll give the maximum element 2 to the bro 1, and the bro 2 will have like 5. After giving bro 1 2, bro 2 will be left with 3. But we have to output the minimum number of coins. I was just outputting, giving the output as the money, the value of the money the brother 2 will get. My approach was kind of the wrong direction. Let's see. Okay. Let's check. Don't know why this screen connects streaming to go live. I think this is not working, but I don't know why it's not working right. Because it's used to show here the screen I used to share, and the likes and the viewers is also 0. Don't know why. Don't know why. Let's just focus on this question. I think this approach is not working right. Just try to do the prefix. Yeah, I guess prefix should work, and we'll just take a sum, and at any time the difference is small. I'll just try to type it. I will not be able to explain properly. Make a prefix array, prefix vector, print prefix of size n plus 1, and at prefix 0, prefix 0 will say it's 0. Prefix 0 will be 0. We should sort it with R begin and R end, reverse order, and for int I equals 1 to I small than n plus 1 to I plus plus, we'll write prefix of I is equals to ARR of I plus prefix of, oh, it might not work. I think I got it wrong. Prefix. I got wrong. Prefix. We add the element at I and the prefix of I minus 1, right? Or I'm wrong. The concept is not right in prefix. Just check GPT, or we'll just find it on Google for GFG prefix array GFG. Prefix I is equal to prefix I minus 1 plus ARR of I. It's still n, but it did put ARR 0 to 0. think I have to watch a video. I'll be right back. Wait a second. Yeah, so I'm back. Let's try to do this question using prefix sum. Mm, you're doing it right. Got confused. We just put the n. Mm. Mm. So prefix of I is equal to error of I, prefix I minus 1, and we'll just see for int I is equals to 1 to I small than n to I plus plus. We'll just check. Oh, to write. I have to check a sum. Int sum equals to 0. Sum plus equals to error of I. Hmm. So we'll check int if u equals to sum minus error of prefix I, and here we check if the difference is smaller than prefix of I. If difference smaller than prefix of I, will return I. Let's try to run it here. F cout F error hmm. Here it's 3 3. It, oh, we'll just break it also. Just break cout and take. Hmm. So at first, in a prefix array, first one will be 0, the second will be 3, and the next one will be 6. So it should return 2, the index 2, but it's not 2. Hmm. It's returning 1. We should try to prefix I just to check. Ah, what? What did I do wrong here? try to find what did I do wrong here. Hmm. Some at first some is ARR of I. ARR of I. I guess it should run from 0. Let's check it here. Prefix of I, prefix of 1. Oh, not 0. I have to put ARR of 0. A ARR of 0. Oh, sorry. Why it's returning garbage value? It's giving garbage value. Let's check why it's giving garbage value. So let's check why it's giving garbage value. Hmm. Uh, did I do wrong here? Man, then why at first it was giving one here, same value. Hmm. We will write here around 0. Still, Let's see if it will work or not. Let's try to read the tutorial and check if our approach is. I guess my approach is wrong because it's not giving correct output in dry run. Let's try. Let's first read the tutorial and then we proceed. So my approach was halfway correct and I should use a simpler approach instead of using that prefix sum. Let's use something more simpler by just doing the same non-decreasing order using the sorting of non-decreasing. Sorry for being inactive. Back online. Let's try that. That's in coach. So the question got accepted. Now let's try a question, one more question of 900 rating because we took lot a lot of time on this single question, though it was too easy. So we'll do one more question of 900 rating, and then we'll sorry for now we'll do another question of 900 rating, and then one question of 1,000 rating, then we'll just increase the rating of each question we do. I'll be right back in 5 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience.